Hello. So, we're on our way in. And they've got the pirate flags up. Look. Where are we? We are at Weston-super-Mare Helicopter Museum. There should be a haunted helicopter. Yeah. Okay, let's get these lovely ladies. Look at the helicopter museum. Say hi to UK Haunt. Go on, say
hi to UK Haunt
Museum. I've never been here before. Lived in North Somerset for 29 years now. And look at some of these. Look at these. There's lots and lots. Oh yeah, so my little witch. Big smiles. Aww. My little goblins. Look at this helicopter behind them. Anyway, there's a haunted helicopter inside and a graveyard, so we'll do some more filming when we get to them. And they must be down that way. This is really cool.
That's a good one.
Here we go. Make sure you pump it up a lot first. It's really hard.
Hey, can we try that?
I guess so.
Get a good composer.
Got to wait your turn. We're going into the big warehouse now.
Just ignore it.
Oh, that's right. Look, pirates. Say
Uar, he's a farmer pirate.
Look. This is cool. Drop dead gorgeous. Hello. Hello, that's a nice witch's costume over there by the door. You missed that one. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Oh, these are nice.
They're nice.
£10 the pair. I don't like the lampshades, but we could change the lampshades and just have the fixings. Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. Okay, guys, quick! We're going to grab a photo. Look, this man does prints and then it self-imposes you. So watch this. Here we go. Right. Look, we'll take a picture of him. So that guy.
Oh, you chose the scene, did you?
No, Alira chose the screen.
Oh, Alira chose the scene. He wants the graveyard because it's cool.
Which vlog am I going to be in then?
Oh, I don't know. What vlog do you want to be in? What's your name?
Jamie.
And what company are you from, Jamie?
Big Cattle Studio.
Oh, look, you've got a nice written sign right at the top. Yeah, nice. We do printing as well. C&S Print Services.
C&S Print Services. Okay.
Yeah, in Weston. Embroidery and everything.
Sorry?
Well, look, I'm just, look at these lovely jumpers they've got and everything. You're getting a business card out, right?
Awesome.
Halloween back. I think I've still got the same images as you have. Which we've all got the royalties for, of course. Apple Studios. Look at this. There we go. So it looks like straight off. So we're printing. There we go. There's our ugly mugs. And they're coming out. Alira, you picked the background, didn't you? Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, she's ready. Look at that. She's ready. Yes, sweetie. Are you coming undone?
This one's dirty.
Right, guys, here we go. It looks like this is the haunted helicopter. So let's have a look. See how close we can get to the haunted helicopter. Can we go inside, do you think? Look. Got cobwebs in there, and there's a skeleton in there. Whoa. Oh, we round the other side. Round the other side, is it? Look, it's Dracula. Look. What are you two playing at? Werewolf driving the helicopter. Oh look, creepy. Okay guys, we're going inside the haunted helicopter. Here we go. We got some Jesus spray, look at this.
Okay.
Got a
So anything that scares you, all you do is just push your hand up and it will go away.
push your hand up and it would go away.
Okay.
Are we going for it then, guys? Are we going in?
Right one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Right, where do we go, guys? This way?
Through here.
Hey, look, it's Mona Lisa.
Through here.
Dun.
Oh my goodness.
Where are we going? This way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay, through the curtain.
That skeleton is breathing.
Skeleton's breathing.
Skeleton's breathing.
Oh, do you think it could be a person, that one then?
Here we go.
Come on then, let's go. Dun, dun. Through the helicopter horn. Whoa. No, don't put your hand up. Come on, keep walking. Don't be...
Whoa, Dad, you have to see it.
I'm coming.
What's
the matter?
He just moved his hands.
Did he move? I didn't even notice. I'm a fair play, mate. No, that one's tied up. That one's cool though.
Mummy,
Hello.
Mummy, I think you'd like this. A picture of you.
Are you trying to work out if it's a human or not? It is. It is. It's too smooth of an animation for a prop. And the nose.
Look.
Oh, this is good. Look at this. Whoa. Who's this then? It's Satan. Dun, dun, dun.
Thank goodness he's not.
Is he Lucifer? Is he? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, the eyes follow you. That's amazing. Hang on, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Is he scary? Is he? Nah, keep going. That's it. Wave, wave. The goblin. Oh, look, we get to go in the helicopter.
In the helicopter, guys. Get in here.
Oh, really good, mate. Well done. Oh, look, we got a dangling spider. You right, Cara? I'm coming. I'm coming. Daddy's coming. Go on then. Into the helicopter. I see you too. Dun, dun.
He's alive.
Look at this, we're actually in
He's
the helicopter.
alive.
Is he
He's
alive?
alive.
I know, the hairy arms give it
Oh,
away.
is that Frankenstein?
Where?
Oh, is that guy talking? Look. Dun, dun, dun.
He's breathing.
Is he? Are you sure? What a cool job. Dun, dun, dun. Well done, keep it up. This is cool. Actually in the helicopter. Dun, dun, dun. Where's Adrian gone? Has he ran out?
No, I'm behind
Are you behind me? Let's have a look in the cockpit from this angle.
That thing is as scary as man. That was scary. That really did freak me out.
Really scary.
Yeah, freaked me out.
Yeah.
I heard you. Yeah, you know that was it at the back seat. Someone moving. I like when I was
Oh look, there you go. He waits until I take the camera off him before he did it again. And look, Dracula meeting you on the way out. Say hi, UK Haunt.
UK Haunt.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. How cool was that, guys?
Driving.